How to move contacts on the phone to the SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on contacts. After that, we tap on the back key to go back to the main contacts page here. Then tap on the more button. And from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. After that, tap on move contacts to other storage location. Now in here, you can choose where is your contacts coming from. So in here, I can choose from my phone, my local phone storage, and then I can choose all. So you can choose the contacts that you want to move, or you can choose all the contacts. And then tap on done. After that, select your SIM card, so SIM 1. Then tap on OK. So it's here, this contacts, names, email, addresses, and phone numbers will be moved to your SIM, but other contact info may be lost. Names, email address, and phone numbers may be cut off if they are too long. Okay, so tap on OK. And from here, tap on Move. And that's it. So you have now moved your contacts from your phone storage or from one of your Samsung or Google accounts. You can move it to your SIM card. Sometimes it is easier to move it to the SIM card so that if you have a SIM card, you can move it to an older phone style, and then all those contacts will be available for you straight away for you to make calls. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.